So today I will presentation about country destination, and I will talk about Turkey. Okay, getaway between East and West. Introduction to Turkey and its unique location connecting Europe and Asia, two continents, one timeless destination. Turkey serves as a vital geographical, cultural, and historical bridge between Europe and Asia. With 97% of its land in Asia, Anatolia, and 3% in Europe. Spanning the strategic Bosphorus Strait, Istanbul is the world's only city located on two continents. I think as a crossroads for trade, culture, and history for over 2,500 years. Next, landscapes of wonders and diversity. Turkey is a land of incredible geographical diversity, featuring volcanic landscape in Cappadocia, wide Travertine terrace in Pamukkale, and the stunning turquoise coast. The country bridges Europe and Asia, offering wonders like the fairy chimneys of Golan, the ancient heights of Mount Nemrut, and the deep blue waters of Lake Feni. The empires that shaped the world. Turkey has been a pivotal crossroad of civilization for millennia, serving as the heartland for several major empires that shaped the world. The region's history includes foundational ancient civilization, the Byzantine Empire, and the long-lasting Ottoman Empire. Okay, the empire, the first is the empire. That's around circa 1,700 until 1,200 before Christ. As Anatolia, first Great Empire, the Hittites established the central state in central Anatolia with their capital at Hattusa. They were a major Bronze Age power that challenged Egyptian hegemony, and that in the Battle of Kadesh in 1274 before Christ against Rams II, one of history's largest battle. And the second is Pilgrims. The Pilgrims, circa 1,200 until 700 before Christ. Following the collapse of the Hittites, Pilgrims established a kingdom in West Central Anatolia. The next is the Persian Empire. Persian Empire, circa 550 until 333 before Christ. Persia under leaders like Cyrus the Great and Darius I incorporated Anatolia into its first empire. And Macedonia is 334 until 133 before Christ. Alexander the Great conquered Anatolia from the Persians using in the Hellenistic period. And the next is Roman and Byzantine empires. That is around 133 before Christ until 1453 before Christ. Anatolia became known as Asia Minor under Roman control and later served as the heartland of the Byzantine Empire. Okay, the next is everyday life and cultural tradition. Everyday life and cultural tradition in Turkey are a vibrant textile movement from a rich history that reaches Asia and Europe, combining ancient Anatolian custom, autonomous legacies, and modern secular life. Central to this culture is the tradition of hospitality, respect of respect for elders, and a strong sense of community. Okay, about the daily life and social custom, it's like hospitality, Mr. Phil, Republic, rest as considered blessing or sent by God. Stanley, Mr. Philly visitors are often treated with utmost kindness over food, tea, or coffee, and it's considered what to accept as efficient can often suffer. Tea, tea. Culture tea is a national beverage served in tulip-shaped glass throughout the day in homes, workplaces, and shops as a symbol of friendship. About the family and community. Family is the cornerstone of society, with extended families often maintaining close contact and providing support. The neighborhood solidarity, known as immense communities often come together for tasks like harvesting or building. Sunday breakfast, long late weekend breakfast, kahvalti are a staple activity. The key cultural tradition is evil eye, method, sugar. Uh, Oblique, red, blue, white, and black glass. It is to protect against envy and bad luck, often found in homes, cars, and jewelry. Which is bad, a traditional centers or social experience for cleansing, relaxing, and socializing, often severed by gender. The henna night had a day or two before a wedding. This is likely given for a woman, where henna is applied to the bride's hands, often involving emotional things. Salty coffee. During the formal marriage proposal, the bride to be makes coffee, a traditional so often playful. First is to add salt to the groom's coffee to test his patience and composure. Okay. Art, architecture and cultural reasons. Turkey is a profound convergence of art, architecture, and history, acting as a bridge between East and West, ancient civilization, and modern culture. As a living museum, it boasts pieces dating from 1200 years old temple sites to Byzantine mosaics and Ottoman masterpieces. The iconic architecture is like Hagia Sophia in Istanbul, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture completed in 537 is situated